following historic storms and floods. Residents in central Vietnam and the Central Highlands are gradually recovering. Vietnam's television's Vietnamese Heart Fund responded swiftly, helping families in Gia Lai and Đắk Lắk repair and rebuild their homes.
After more than 10 days of intensive construction, Trần Thị Tươi new house in Tuy Phước Đông, Gia Lai is nearly finished. She's one of 30 households receiving support and expects to move in her new home in just over a month.
I'm really happy for all the help from the local authorities, and now the Vietnamese Heart Fund is helping as well. I'm very grateful.
In Hòa Thịnh Commune, Đắk Lắk, 81-year-old Nguyễn Thị Phương spent days worried after floods partially destroyed her home. Now, with the fund's support, she feels secure.
Getting help this quickly is such a relief. I can't ask for more.
The Vietnamese Heart Fund provided approximately $560,000 in partnership with local authorities. The fund built 89 new homes and repaired nearly 530 others. It also supplied computers to local institutions.
We've helped those who receive support and will continue assisting the rest so everyone can rebuild and have a stable home.
This timely support provides residents with safe homes and restores their confidence, helping them gradually recover and rebuild their lives after the disaster.